Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin tayo ni bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa uploaded song ni Rose. So ang title ng video is Rose #1 Girl Official Music Video. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to, kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, I'm so excited. I'm a huge fan of Rose. Blackpink. By the way guys, if you hear something noisy here on my reaction video, that is the sounds of tricycle outside, because here in the Philippines there's a lot of motorcycle, and right now do you hear the bark of dog? I'm so sorry for that sound distraction here on my reaction video. Alright, okay, let's count in 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go. Oh, it's so static. Oh, sounds really good. The diction, it's so clear. Very beautiful, Rose. Oh. I feel the emotion. Grabe yung connection niya sa akin. Grabe yung lyrics, no? Sobrang meaningful niya. Grabe, no? Napaka-simple lang ng music video ni Rose, but sobrang gandang panoorin. Napaka-aesthetic niyang panoorin, di ba? Ang sarap pakinggan ng boses niya. Yung emosyon ng laging nandun no? Ang galing niyang magkwento habang kumakanta siya, di ba? Rose is Rose talaga. And kahit simple lang yung music video niya, talagang pakikinggan to ng maraming tao at papatok talaga siya. Wow. Oh my God, orgasm! Wow! Oh my God, Rose is very beautiful, very simple. That's why I really like her. She's amazing, and I am a huge fan of Rose. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hey, I like it. She is the director of her music video. She's a very multi-talented artist. Actually, I like the music. I feel the emotion, the diction. It's so clear, and I really like the aesthetic video like this. And it's giving me calming vibes. And yeah, good job, Rose. Thank you so much for your beautiful music video. As always, I always appreciate your work, your work of art music video. You are so amazing. Yeah, if you like this video, guys, please give a big thumbs up. And if you have any request video, comment down below, and I'll see you on my next reaction video. Bye.